Hi, I'm Heiko Wenzel. I work with Epic Games. I lead the automotive industry there on a global level. We've collaborated with the team here early on because we believe education is an essential piece to allow people to understand what Epic Games does in the field of automotive industries and how Unreal Engine can help you develop XR, AR, MR projects, whatever you're working on, and connect it to other processes that you have in the company. So using these tools to interact with that space is going to be the future. It's going to be a competitive advantage over everyone else that's not using it.
So we had already been working on augmented and virtual reality, primarily focused on using it as a development tool, validation tool, and simulation. For example, we have a wrong-way driver solution. It would be pretty difficult to shut down I-75 with all the authorities and be able to demonstrate something that is so dangerous, but so necessary for society. Once we started working with ARC, we started seeing other companies that were using it across different industries, manufacturing. So I'm really glad to see that we're starting to have the disciplines overlap and collaborate more.
My name is Ed Volsick. I'm from KUKA Robotics. So ARC brings a lot of value to KUKA Robotics overall. It's an opportunity for us to collaborate with industry partners, with Oakland University, with the CCS, to really bring technology, design into really a leading edge field right now with augmented reality and virtual reality. Bringing engineering and design together is really important. You know, everybody today works in their own disciplines, very focused on the things that they do, but bringing different viewpoints, different disciplines together, when you're working on the design of something, it's always important to see these types of different viewpoints because you end up with something you never would have imagined. You know, in the future, I can imagine engineers, operators, maintenance personnel being completely immersed in a digital world of their automation system, being able to maintain it, whether being able to maintain it remotely or being right involved, right in front of it, having documentation, user interfaces that help you understand how to fix something, how to program something, how to make it run.
Hi, I'm Pat Duda from KUKA Robotics. Augmented reality is really a visual medium. So it can't be strictly technical, otherwise people will get lost in the technology. In cases where you have a lot of technical parameters and very complicated things to set because there are just a lot of numbers that you need to deal with, you can essentially take that and convert it completely to a visual experience, which is a lot more intuitive.
My name is Deborah Kiefer. I am the project manager for the Augmented Reality Center. I think what I've liked most about working at ARC is just the collaboration that happens between a variety of people, from students and faculty and corporate partners. It's just amazing to see all the minds come together and the creative talents that inspire me.
I am Khalid Mirza. I am the ARC founding director and a special instructor at Oakland University in the School of Engineering and Computer Science. I personally think that immersive technology will be used everywhere. So if you can think of any application, there's a way to use immersive technology in it. And as hardware, software, everything becomes more accessible and affordable, everybody is going to start using it anyway. So we want our workforce to be ready, the students to be ready to produce all those applications which are going to be needed and work with the companies who will need this skill set.
My name is Chase Holton, and I am the academic consultant from CCS with the Augmented Reality Center at Oakland University. With augmented reality, I mean, you see it in the industry used all the time, or at least going forward, they're going to be using it more to teach safety and things like that. So in the classroom, why not integrate that more into interactive learning, and as well as conveying ideas, and iterating on these creative processes where you can imagine something and put it into a space, you can catch scale, you can do anything.
I would say the most interesting thing about immersive technology is its applications in the real world. I think it gets the negative connotation that it's solely for entertainment or gaming purposes, but it really is not the case. And from my time here working at the ARC lab, it really has shown me how many different industries that this technology is capable of being applicable within.
So I think immersive technology is just super interesting, especially as someone in the therapy field. I'm really interested in the applications in the therapeutic sense and how we can use VR and AR to help heal people.
It's great because I get to kind of be in a space where we get to make virtual reality easier for people to understand, and for you know, it's like those are the challenges that I think are really beneficial to learn.
I think this is the thing that's happening and developing nowadays. So it would be very helpful to get to know this technology and have a better opportunity in the future.
I think it's just the exposure to the technology that's the most beneficial. I find it really helpful to be in on what's upcoming and how to better relate to clients, how to better use this technology in the process of therapy. So I think that's one of the coolest things about it.